Using your smartphone to design flyers, logos, and book covers is a very important skill that you need to learn in this digital age. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your smartphone to design beautiful flyers like this, and even logos and mock-up for book covers, for t-shirt designs, and many other things using a very simple and easy to use application software. Make sure you have subscribed to this channel in order to be notified on the next tutorial video, because it's going to be a step-by-step practical one to achieve you being a professional at this. See you in class. In today's class, we are going to look at how to use your Pixellab to design very good flyers. Let me highlight Pixellab right here for you. Let me get my highlighter. This is Pixellab here, and this is also Pixellab here, but I basically use the pink Pixellab. So let's open it and see how it works. I'm going to explain the tools in Pixellab, that the tool that's being used for flyer design in Pixellab. So let me get it right for you, and this is it. So okay, they're asking me if I want to auto save my last session, so I'm just going to cancel it so that we can start from the beginning. I can see how it works. So I'll tap cancel right now. Okay, this is how Pixellab actually looks. This is how Pixellab looks, and this is your workspace. And let me explain the tools. So when you want to begin a flyer design, the first thing you do is to set the background, and there are different sections for that. The first thing you do is to set the background. So how to set the background? You go to this icon here, this icon down here. This stuff is blocking me. Okay, this particular icon here at the bottom here, I think the fourth icon, this one is highlighted right here. So you tap and then it will show you the options. So when you want to add maybe a color to your background, you tap on color and then you see the options for color, either the plain color or a gradient. Now let me highlight this for you too. If you want just a single color, you can tap on this, but if you want a gradient, you tap on gradient. Gradient is a combination of two or more colors together into a blend. It will give you a beautiful blend, but when you're making a gradient, you have to choose complementary colors. Yeah, it has to be complementary colors. So but let's just look at this. So when you want to add a color to your background, just tap on the color here and then you see the option. You can pick any color of your choice depending on what you want. Then you scroll to the right and more colors will appear, and you pick any one of your choice and you tap this good or this tick sign here. So but if you want to design a logo, it has to be transparent background. So and why is transparent background? So that when you're done designing the logo, you will not have to remove the background again to fix that logo on the flyer you're designing. So to design a logo, you have to pick the transparent background option, so that once you're done designing the logo, you just automatically fit into the flyer you want to use it in, and it's not carry an attached background. So to do that, you can just pick the transparent background option right here, and it will give you what you want. So this is how it looks. Anything with transparent background always look like this. A transparent background is also called a backgroundless text or image, something that does not have a background. It's just that image. Like when you take a picture somewhere, you'll see that the background of the surrounding always appear, but if you want just your image to show, you remove the background. That's what the background remover app does, and anything you remove the background for always appears like this because it's a transparent background. So also when it has to do with background, you can also set the size of your flyer here. You can use here to set the size of your flyer. So when you tap it, you can increase or reduce the height and the width of your flyer. So what you can just set it set to any width size that you want and any height. Let me take for instance, I want to change the height, make it longer. So I just make it, instead of 1.5 I make it 1.7. You see the difference here. You see that the height, or 1.8, it is going to increase. You saw the flyer, look at it, it has automatically increased. You see the height, it's no longer where it was, but it is now from here to here. So that's just how it works. And then if you want to also crop, although this is not effective because there's no image here to crop, if you want to make an image your background, you can also tap here and then you see the options. So you just see the default images that this particular Pixellab version provides for you. You can use as your background, and this is when you just tap on the one you want and it will just automatically appear that way. And just see the difference, just scroll to the right and you will see the different options here that you can use as your background. So these are very beautiful options, but it depends on the type of flyer you want to make. So the type of flyer you want to make will determine your choice of background. So that's actually how it works. And just keep scrolling and you're going to see as many options as possible, but just pick the one you want and then you move on with it and tap good. So but if you want to make an image from your gallery, a background, so you just tap on the option of from gallery and then it will take it to your gallery and you select the image that you want. So but that's not what we are doing today. So these are the options to set your background. So that's the function of this particular tool here. Please note that this particular tool here, the fourth tool here, let me highlight it for you, this one right here, this particular tool here is to work on background. This one that's highlighted with blue is to work on anything background. You have to use this tool. Now the next thing we are going to look at in Pixellab, the next tool we are going to look at is this plus tool. Let me highlight it for you. You use the plus tool to add features to your flyer. Let me show you how it works. Tap on the plus tool, you're going to see different options here. To add text, you want to add a write-up to your flyer, you tap on text. You want to add a current date, today's date, you tap on current date. You want to add a sticker to your flyer design, you tap on sticker. If you want to add a shape to your flyer, you tap on shape. If you want to add an image or any feature from your gallery, you just tap on from gallery. And then if you want to draw on your flyer, you just tap on draw. So we are going to just quickly look at these features and see how it works. We have set the background now of this flyer. Let's now add a text to it and see the text has appeared. Now I tap on text and this appeared. So I can either double tap on this your text, or I go to where text is being edited. Now I explain the function of this particular tool, the background setting tool. Now when it comes to do our background editing tool, which is this first icon here highlighted in blue, now we want to work on a text now.